Shaving isn't one size fits all. Meet T8, a safety razor designed to adapt to you. Precision engineered, thoughtfully designed, built from the ground up for control, comfort and longevity. Machined from grade 5 titanium, T8 is lightweight, balanced, and built to last. Fine-tune your shave with a simple turn. T8 features a linear, continuous adjustment from setting 1 to 8. Blade changes are simple, secure, and intuitive. No tools, no complications. One razor, different needs, same precision. Whether it's your cheek's jawline or fine detail work, T8 adapts to your skin, your beard, and your technique, helping reduce irritation while delivering a clean, comfortable shave. Designed for everyday use, built for years to come. Back our project today and enjoy a better shave every time.